Here we go. Switch round. This is where I've been walking. All out in this lovely, beautiful countryside. Right here. Oh my god, I nearly fell over. So pretty, isn't it? I love the world. There's a house. Secret house. Hopefully nobody will work out where I am. Only people that know me know where I am. So we're coming to the main road, and all you can see around you is just fields and stuff. I just wanted to show you. Look how lovely it is out here. It's just countryside for miles. Countryside, countryside, countryside. Everywhere. Even when we get to the main road, look, across there, still, let me see if I can blow it up. Yeah, look. Still countryside for miles and miles and miles. Countryside everywhere. Oh, knocked over pole. Pretend we didn't see that one. Yeah, maybe go back in. Here we go. Yes, lovely. So now we're on the main road, my darlings. Here's the school. I just wanted to show you all because it's so nice around here. It's like just fields and stuff absolutely everywhere. There's no, yeah, there's cars, but I'm on the main road. When you get into like where I live, where I showed you to start with, it's just fields and country, and I absolutely love that because there's no like lunatics, there's no crazy people anywhere. There's a bus. If you don't drive, you're pretty much stranded here. You don't use a bus like every half hour or hour or whatever it is. But yeah, this is where I live. So yeah, I don't really know how to do these lives, so I'm recording this one and I'm going to add it together to show you all. But I just thought you'd like to see where I walk every day. I walk down there, along the road, onto the farm, back this way. There's the pub, can you see? If I zoom in, there's the pub. Nice. For a little beverage. Yeah. Just bushes and bushes and more fields. So pretty. Apart from all this rubbish. Look at all this crap in here. The council, if you see this, really need to clean this up because it is a tip in there. There's just shit everywhere. Oops, I swore. Rubbish everywhere. Rubbish, not the S word. See it all in the bush. Because nobody actually cares at all, which is so sad. Because I'm not going to clean it up all the time. I do it like once a week. Come out, pick all the rubbish up. Because it just litters the whole place. Look, it'd be so beautiful if they even cut some of them dead trees down. Ivy. Yeah. And here we go, back on the path. Oh, there's a pretty little white flower tree. Hello. Oh, blossoming. It's nice. Spring is here. There's some more rubbish down there. Really, these trees need to be cut back so that people can actually get down there and remove all that rubbish. Because it's quite cute in there. You could just sit there and chill out, like the kids or whatever can go sit there. So they're not being menaces wherever else they go. But all this, it's just rubbish and more rubbish. Look, as it backs onto these houses here, but look, it's just crap absolutely everywhere. I mean, what is that? That's like a sand pit pot or something. Someone's probably from that bloody house there, which got no fence at all. There's some more rubbish, more dead wood fence. Oh, that's terrible, that. Look at that over there. Oh, that's what I mean, it's not all from the road. Lots of this stuff comes from the cars. People just chuck it. Well, there's actually a bench in that one. Look at that, see, there is a bench. Somebody thought my idea through. That's really cute. I wish I could get, if that was uphill, I'd be able to get to that much easier. Look at all that. That is a mess, mate. It's a total mess in there. There's that lovely white bench. Just hideous. Hideous, hideous, hideous. So we're nearly at the school now. There's the school, the pub, the road, and the cars. Give us a beep, whoop whoop! Electric cupboard thing, more rubbish. And these are these new houses that have just been built. How long have I done now? 6 minutes. 6 minutes and counting. Oh, I really hope this turns out alright because I hate recording myself. I absolutely hate it. I just sound like a complete utter chap or some posh twat, which, you know, either way is not great. There's the pub. Oh. There's the school in there somewhere. The school. Yep. Now we come down this little path and it goes round, back round to my house where we were to start with. Okay, so yeah, we're on an estate now, and the little path right round to it is my house at the back. See it? So yeah, this goes round now, round, and then back up. So yeah, there we go. It's a little video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. I don't really know what to like record or whatever, but my friend said to me just record anything. So, you know, here we go, anything. Enjoy. Loves, kisses, more loves. Bye.